Hi guys, all of you good morning and welcome back to Git. Guys, in today's session, we are seeing that Git stash and Git tag. Git stash and Git tag and Git notifications. Git notifications. Guys, Git stash is a one memory inside the Git repository. Git stash is a one storage or memory in the Git repository that is used for to store whenever whatever you want to store inside that memory without committing you can store into the Git stash memory. So in which cases we are using, for example, just a magnet. I got one requirement from the team or from the onshore team or from the client. Yes, based on that, yes, I have written some programs. So before that, I have some more programs. Already my programs are in stash. Oh, sorry, what is that in the story staging area? In the staging area. If I commit that, what will happen? Those programs also automatically they push into remote repository. Okay, but maybe those programs belongs to some other task. So once we send to remote repository, from there maybe those programs goes to CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous build location. Once the program enter into that CI/CD tool, maybe it will try to compile the program. Maybe we will get some errors. Once we get the error, automatically we will get that notifications or escalations. See, unnecessarily we are getting that escalations or we are getting notifications. Automatically, the CI/CD server will send that notification to entire team. The entire team will alert. Okay, due to what we did that mistake. If we want to avoid that mistakes, you need not to commit that. You can put into that memory whatever you want. Yes, commit the programs based on your requirement only. You can commit those programs. Okay, so whatever you are having unwanted programs or present not useful programs, yes, you can put into the stash memory. Yes, just wait. Guys, this is our site. And here we are having that stash, Git stash. Just wait, guys. Okay, guys. So, working with the Git stash. So, Git stash, it allows multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously. Okay, suppose, okay, if a developer is working on a feature branch, in a feature branch, he needs to pull changes from some other developer's branch, or if he has some urgent work on the same other feature branch. Okay, but the feature branch, he is currently working on the same, okay, incomplete. At present, where he is located, in which branch he is located. Okay, so he is in the middle of the program. Okay, just okay. Let me show you that. What is the problem here? See. Okay, let me show you. Git status. So present I am in main branch, or else Git branch. Now I am going to dev branch. Git checkout, dev branch. Now I am in dev branch. Git status, LL. Here I have some files. Now see, please concentrate on only one file. Please concentrate on only one file. Now touch Oracle. Okay, cat double greater than Oracle. So now I have created one Oracle program file, and I am entering into that program. Now I am going to writing, okay, now some content. Just so I have written. See here, Git status. Now you know that. Can we switch? Can we switch now from one branch to another branch? Are you sure? See, this is the state, Git status. Now can we switch one branch to another branch right now on this state, on this situation? Is it possible to switch one branch to another branch? Guys, already we saw that n number of times. We are having strong, I think I exposed that much more, but I don't know, do you have that practice or not? If you haven't practiced, you can't say that exact answer. Will be in confusion. Okay, fine guys. We can switch now. Whatever the state present, whatever the present state is there, on the same state we can switch into another branch. Git checkout, for example, test. Now same state we can see, whatever we saw in the dev branch, the same state we can see. And we can switch into main also. Git status. See. Okay. Now we can add here Git status. See. After adding also, where we have created this one in the dev branch. Git checkout, dev. Now the same state we can see here also. Now what I am doing that, now I am going to committing this one. Git commit -m test commit on Oracle. Okay, we have committed. Now git status. Now we can see this one. See. Okay. Next, git checkout. Git checkout main. So successfully we switched it into main branch. Next, git status. Now the file is not available. See, here we don't have that Oracle file because we fixed that we committed in the one branch, okay, in the dev branch. Once we commit one file in one branch, after that we can't see in another branch unless to merge the file or to creating a new branch. Now, if we create a new branch from the dev branch, what will happen? Now I am switching into dev branch. After that, I am going to creating a one new branch from the dev branch. What will happen? The same whatever we are having state in the dev branch, the same state replicated into new branch. After creating new branch, we can see the Oracle file also. Got it now? So if we want to merge the file from Oracle to this branch, yes, after merging, we can see the file here also. But I don't want to merge and I don't want to create. On the present situation, on the present state, I don't want to create the file because we are trying to know that what is a stash, how it works the stash. Okay, now we are going to concentrating on that one only. Now, okay, forget about that creating branch and merging that commands. Now what we did in the dev branch, we have created a file. After that, we switched it into different branches. We saw that successfully we switched it into different branches. After that, yes, we entered into another branch. We added that file. After adding also, we try to switch the branches. Successfully, we switched it into branches. After that, so wherever we have created, in which branch we have created, we move to or we switch it into the same branch. That's calling as a dev branch. In the dev branch only we have created. Of course, we added somewhere in some other branches. After adding, we switched it into dev branch. We committed into the dev branch only. Now you got it now. After committing, we are trying to switch other branches. Successfully, we are switching into other branches also. You got it now. Okay, guys. Now, see, successfully we switch it. Now, what I'm doing that? Now I'm going to once again that dev branch. Git checkout dev. Okay. Now you can see here the Oracle file from bottom to top, third one. Now I'm going to modifying that Oracle file. Okay. Okay. See. Now, if you observe this one, what we can see now? What we can see? Modified. Imagine it. Now, I'm in Oracle file. Now I'm in this Oracle file. Imagine it. Now, this is the concept. What is that? But see here, where we can see, suppose if a developer is working on a feature branch, and he needs to pull changes from some other developer's branch, from other developer's branch, or if he has work urgently on some other feature branch. Got it now? Imagine it, I'm the developer now. Now, I'm in the middle of the program. See, Okay, now I'm in the middle of the program writing some content. All of a sudden, I have one requirement, or else I got one requirement from the team or some other person. Okay, they are asking one requirement. So it's very important. You have to send that immediately, or you have to finish the task. So now I'm in the middle of that program. Yes, based on his requirement, I'm saving and coming out from the program. But that's the incomplete program. Okay. So when I'm in the programming, it's in middle of the task. I didn't finish the task. So all of a sudden I got a call from the other person or lead or some other onshore team. Ravindra, I have some work. He has please try to finish the task. But I know that I have expected before 2 days. So that reason I have finished that program. But the program is not available. The program is not available in this dev branch. You got it now? So whatever he is asking, whatever they are having requirement, I have finished the task. But the file is not located in present branch. It's located in another branch. Got it now? So yes, simply or immediately I came out from that present working file. Okay, immediately I stopped the task. Okay, and I am seeing here, is that file is available or not? Is that file not available? Yes, I am checking that. Okay, I remember that where I kept that. Yes, finally I got that. Yes, I kept in another branch. But in this case, in present branch, I am in the middle of the program. You got it now? I'm in the middle of the program. Immediately I stopped that one and I am trying to switch another branch. Where it's located, just imagine it, I kept in the test branch, Git branch. So there is the test branch. Yes, I'm checking out, I'm switching to test branch because why? What is the reason for switching the test branch? Because so whatever he is asking the program, that program is inside that test branch. That is also future branch. I want to send it now. So that reason I am switching into dev branch. Oh, sorry, test branch. Yes, test. I am trying into test branch. Is there any spelling mistake? Git checkout test. Is there any spelling mistake? And we are having test branch also now. Bottom to top, first one in the bottom. And is there any spelling mistake here? Nothing. Now you can read that error. The same reason, whatever we are facing problem, that is the problem we have mentioned here. See, but the feature he is currently working on is incomplete. Present, I am in dev branch. I'm working on that Oracle file. Right now I'm working on that file. But my task is incompleted task. Got it now? I didn't finish the task. Based on urgent call, so immediately I have stopped that one. After that, I am trying to switch another branch because whatever he is having that requirement, whatever he is asking, that the file is located in another branch. For sending that file, I am trying to switch that. Even wherever I kept that file, if you observe this one, you can see now In which branch we are? Dev branch. Okay. Now we are in dev branch. This is the dev branch files. You can observe that one. So whatever we are having is the same list of files. We are in the dev branch. Now I am trying to switch git checkout. What is that? Test branch. Of course, we can't switch. We can't switch. We can. Now what git status? Now see, we'll come back once again that git commit -am -am test commit on Oracle file second test commit. Okay, yes, successfully we have committed. Now git status we can, but what I did, just imagine it, I did a mistake. Now I did a mistake. What is that? I have committed incomplete task, incomplete program. By mistake, knowingly, unknowingly, if I try to push this file to remote repository, what will happen? Remote repository will send to build location. The build tool will try to build a job or try to build this task. So immediately the build tool will throw the error because this program not having completed coding. So that reason the build tool will find the error immediately to throw that error and immediately to write the mail and send to all respective team. Immediately every person who are in the team, every person will alert by this mail. They will enter into the program or they first of all they will enter into the mail. They will try to check the mail. Okay, finally they have decided and they found that this belongs to programmer. This is programmer. Yes, the programming team is there, and the programming side also one team is there, team lead is there. Yes, immediately he found that mail. He entered into that mail. Immediately he saw that the whatever the errors are there, it is showing that completed. Yes, so and so problem in the programming level. Yes, once again the lead decided to who sent this program. He decided to know about that program, who sent this program to remote repository. He is entering into that location. Which location? Yes, he is entering into this repository. And for example, just imagine it. Yes, now what I am doing that? Yes, git push origin dev. See, program going to remote repository. Yes, something it is having that. Git pull origin dev. Okay, so whatever we are having changes in the remote repository, we got that git status. Now try to push it. See, successfully we sent to remote repository. Successfully we sent to remote repository. Now you can find that Oracle. Now what is the problem here? Now just imagine it. I am the lead here. And I have that rights to access this remote repository. Okay. So who did that mistake? Ravindra did that mistake. That knows only Ravindra. That knows only Ravindra. Now that CI/CD tool have sent mail to all respective team. Out of the team, the lead, programming lead, developers team lead have find that error, and he trying to enter into the remote repository to know about that who sent that program to remote repository. Yes, just what is the repository? Sorry, branch dev. See here, 4 minutes ago. Now come here, just click on that. Now here we can find that history. Here we can see the second commit. Who sent that? Ravindra. Yes, he found that. Who sent that? Now, yes, the lead calling or trying to put message is taking snapshot, and whatever the build snapshot is that, yes, this is the reason you did a mistake. What is the problem? Why you have sent this? Yes, immediately try to rectify that. See, but that Ravindra, he didn't want it. Intentionally he didn't that. You got it now? Just unfortunately he did that. No, unknowingly he did that mistake. You got it now? But it's happened that. See, so whenever we try to commit the programs, okay. So after committing, if you try to push those programs to remote repository, what will happen? The GitHub will send all these latest code into CI/CD tool. All code into CI/CD tool. Just wait. I'll show you that. That is also one scenario, and which cases we can. Okay, guys, this is my CI/CD tool. Okay, so inside this CI/CD tool, we are going to integrating whatever we are having code in the GitHub repository. Now I'm going to integrating GitHub to Jenkins. Let's click on that new item. Just I'm taking that some project one. Just digital project. OK button, and just the source code. This is my repository, and this is the branch name. Now come here, just click on that selected Git and repository URL where we kept that credentials. No need, we are in public repository. What is the branch name? Dev branch, and post build actions. So I'm taking that poll SCM. Class-1. Okay, post build actions. We don't have that Class-1. Email notification. Okay, build triggers. We'll take here Class-1. Okay, yes, see. That's having one meaning. Every star having one meaning. We'll discuss that. Yes. So that is that what it says that. See, it says that every minute, every hour, every day, every month, every week of the day. Every month, every week of the day. So now just what I'm doing that. Yes, I'm saving this one. So automatically it will try to build that job. Whenever we send to GitHub repository, automatically the code comes into this CI/CD. Now the process started. Build fail. Okay, it not started. Console output. Now it is started. Credentials not specified, but I forgot that specifying that Java program compilation. We'll see that. Still the process going. We got the code from GitHub to see guys. Successfully we got the code from GitHub to CI/CD tool. So where it's located? CD slash root dot Jenkins to workspace. What that? Enter. Yeah, so CD some project. This is the project name. See guys, this is the program. Now I'm going to try to execute that program. Yes, come here. Yes, configure, build steps, execute shell. Yes, I'm writing the program. What is the program name here? Sum.java. Sum.java. Java space sum.java. This is the program to run. Now I'm trying to run that program. Just save this one. Now try to once again that build. Now you can see that now the first one success now. Now the Java is trying to run that program. Build fail. Build fail. The reason you can see here. Reached end of your file while parsing. Public static void main. Incomplete program. See what will happen here? What is the reason for pushing in an incomplete program? Because someone asked some other task. Okay, in the same branch I don't have that file. So that reason I try to switch another branch. So when I am trying to switching another branch, this branch not giving permission to switch. This branch not giving permission to switch. If you observe this one here, what is the problem for getting that issue? When we try to switch one branch to another branch, from dev branch to we try to switch test branch. The test branch, when we are trying to switch a test branch, yes, we got that error here. The error is, see, your local changes to the following files would be overwritten by checkout the file Oracle. Please commit your changes or stash them before you switch branch aborting. It is suggesting us, please try to commit. Please commit your changes or stash them before switching into branch. At present, I am stopping, aborting. It is stopped that. So I don't know about the stash, but what I did, I have committed that file. I have committed files. After that, immediately I have sent to remote repository. What will happen? What we saw here? This is the problem. This is the problem. Yes, once again, let me come back. Yes, see. Now, just now we have created some.java file where git status LL in the dev branch we have created some.java file. Now, I am going to modifying that once again. VIM some.java. Okay, just of course here also I am in the middle of yes. So now I got a call. Yes, I am leaving from here. So now the program is still it's in the incomplete program. It's still in the incomplete. Now git status is modified. Now I am trying to switch another branch to test branch. Git checkout test. See, it's saying that what it's saying that you can try to see that. See, your local changes to the following files would be overwritten by some.java. Please commit your changes or stash them. Okay, before switching once again. Before trying to switch once again that aborting. Now, so what I don't know about the stash. So what I'm doing that git status, git commit -am, yes, test commit version 1.1 before 1.0. Before first one is the 1.0 round 1.1. Now what I'm doing that? Yes, some dot Java. Okay. Sorry. So don't pass this file name because after applying that commit -am successfully we committed. Now git push origin dev. Now you can see. So automatically now you can see here. Once again the build will start. Just wait. Just wait. Even you need not to refresh this one. You need not to refresh this page. Automatically Jenkins will refresh for every 10 to 15 seconds or 20 seconds like that. I think what is the refresh time? It's having refresh time also. See, 100% build fail. 100% build fail. No doubt. Because it's an incomplete program. It's an incomplete program. If you want to see console output, now it is trying to compile the program, trying to run the program. Error, see. Okay. Who's this mistake? Programmer's mistake. So what is the reason for pushing? Because he tried to push or try to switch one branch to another branch. So when he trying to push or trying to switch another branch, he's saying that commit or stash. He don't know. I mean, for example, I'm myself only. I'm the person, I'm the programmer. I don't know how to apply that stash, but I know that only commit. So after committing, I try to push this one to remote repository. Once I send to remote repository, automatically this CI/CD integrated with the Git. On every minute, the Jenkins will goes to GitHub. It will try to get the code, whatever we are having new changes in the GitHub repository. It will try to get it. After getting it, try to execute the program. We have given one more task to run that program. So while trying to run that program, yes, we are getting this issue because I have sent incomplete task. This is the problem. So if I want to avoid this, if I want to avoid this one, yes, again, so cat double greater than sum dot Java. Yes, now I am going to writing int a comma b comma c. Here also incomplete. Here also incomplete. You can see that a cat sum dot Java. Still, okay, it's incomplete program. Now try to get the status. Now try to switch one branch to another branch. Git checkout test. Same problem. Now we are going to discussing about it. See, now if we try to switch, now if I commit that, what will happen? Build fail. Got it now? If I try to commit it once again, yes, 100% build fail. Now I want to avoid this one. Okay, I don't want to commit and I don't want to push this one. Now my intention is I want to concentrate on different method. See, still I don't know about the stash. Still I don't know about the stash. Yes, I'm asking to someone, he is suggesting me that. So when I'm trying to commit this one, sorry, when I'm trying to switch one branch to another branch, yes, he's showing that error. May know what is the problem here. Okay, so I'm reading loudly. Yes, he listened that. He's saying that. Oh, he's suggesting like that. No, yes, you can commit it now. No, Mister, I already tried commit. I committed this one. I have committed. So after committing, yes, automatically, okay, the files are moving to remote repository. Once it moves to remote repository is sending to build location. The build server getting build phase. I'm getting, okay, on every commit, I'm getting that escalations. So I don't want to commit this one. Is there any alternative? Yes, a stash is there, but he's suggesting stash. So what is this stash? Sorry, Ravindra, I don't know about that one. Even I am also not having any idea about that stash memory. Okay, yes, okay, no problem. Thank you for the suggestion and the help. Yes, I am reaching another one. I'm reaching another one. He is also having that same, but he is having some more little bit advanced. Ravindra, even my side also, I don't have that knowledge and experience of working with the stash memory, but I have that one command. What is that command? Yes. Now, what is the latest version? Git status, git diff sum.java. So whatever we are having the latest content. So we got that now, the diff command right now. See, what is the requirement with the git diff? Okay, see, now this is the latest committed, sorry, latest modified data. So these data located inside in the working directory right now. Now, that second person suggesting me that, Ravindra, you can use git checkout -f test. Which branch? Yes, to which branch you want to move? Yes, I want to move test branch. Okay, apply this command. Apply this command. See, successfully we switched into test branch. Successfully we switched into test branch. Okay. Okay, yes, whatever I'm working, whatever I have that working here, yes, I'm working, and finally, I have finished this one. Now I want to go back for continuing that program now. So wherever we stopped that in the middle of, we want to finish that now. Yes, now what I'm doing that, git checkout. What is the branch name? Dev. Yes, LL. File is there. Sum.java is there. Now cat sum.java. Git status. What happened? Where is the latest data? Whatever we saw here before switching into test branch, whatever we saw the data is not available. Whatever we have written latest content. Whatever we have written latest content, of course, for this time here we are having only one line data. In real time, maybe 10 lines are there, 15 lines are there. We can't say that exact count of lines. Okay, but whatever we have written, that entire data lost. Okay, at present, yes, we lost the data. See, what is the reason for losing the data? Yes, we switched into that branch. Which branch? Test branch forcefully. -f forcefully. See, if you commit the data, what will happen? It will throw that errors. If we try to switch forcefully, we are losing data. Yes or no? So how we can avoid these two problems? You got it now, my concept? So in this case, we are using stash memory. Now, if you observe this one, see, this is the local computer. Whatever we are having that rectangle. Yes, this is the remote repository. So already we know that pull command. And we know that push command, and we know that fetch command also. Okay. So fetch. After that, what we have to do? We need to apply git rebase. Yes or no? We need to apply git rebase. Now, it's the stash memory. Whatever we are seeing that black, that's the stash memory. See, if you add and commit, what will happen? Where it goes? In the committing. So we saw that committing. Now what we are doing that without adding, without committing, we can send the files into stash memory. We can send into the stash memory. We can send it. Now, let me show you that practically. So now what I am doing that, cat double greater than sum.java. Yes, I am modifying that program. Int A comma B comma C. This is the declaration part, variable declaration inside that program. Okay, escape, shift colon, sorry, control D. Okay, now if you apply that cat sum dot Java. Now if you try to switch once again, same problem, git checkout, what is that? Test, same problem. Yes, we saw that. If you commit the program, we know that what will happen next. And if you try to switch forcefully -f, we know that what will happen after applying that command. Okay, we are getting errors by committing and pushing, and we are losing the data by applying that -f. So now I don't want to commit, I don't want to lose the data. Okay, in this case, we are using stash memory. We are using stash memory. Yes, git status modified. Status modified. Now, so what I'm doing that git status. Now I'm checking that. Now I'm asking to stash memory. Now I'm asking to this stash memory. Do you have any kind of content inside that your memory? Do you have any list of files in your memory? Yes, I'm asking the question. That question is git stash list. Git stash list. Nothing is there. Nothing is there. It's saying that empty. Now this is the question to stash. Now we are requesting or we are commanding to stash. So whatever you are having IDs in your memory, yes, just to show me that. We are asking that. Now it's saying that yes, no, I don't have any kind of. Okay. Now what we are doing that? Now we are sending that. Now we are sending to stash memory. Yes, git stash. Now you can ask to git status. Nothing to commit, working tree clean. Nothing to commit, working tree clean. Now you can ask to stash. So now it's saying that I have that one. I have that one. Okay, inside this what you have? Yes, git stash show. It's saying that in my ID, in this stash ID, yes, one file is there with the 2 insertions, with the 2 new insertions. 2 mean number of lines, plus mean newly added lines. 2 new lines added into the stash memory. Okay, now so one file changed, 2 insertions. You got it inside that stash memory. Now git status. See, nothing. Now you can switch into wherever you want. Test successfully without okay getting any problem. LL, you can do whatever you want. So after doing this, yes, you can come back. You can come back into okay your branch. Now git status nothing. Now git stash list. So whatever you are having, yes, now you can git stash pop, get back to okay. Where is that? In working location, in working tree. Now git status. Now see. Now if you try to switch once again, we will not. Git checkout. What is that? Test any branch, not only test branch, wherever you want. Yes, you can. We can't. You got it now? This is the stash memory. This is the stash memory. You know that if we try to commit that one, what will you know that? If we try to apply that forcefully, what will happen? We will lose the data. For avoiding these two problems, yes, you can use that stash memory. So still, okay, just we have entered into stash memory. We will discuss in tomorrow's session. Okay, guys. Okay, thank you.